Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver, where we make math easy and fun. Before we dive into today's cool math trick, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notification of all upcoming videos. Now today we will add all the numbers from 1 to 1000 without using any calculator, without manually, just using a simple formula. Within minutes we can do this. Like 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 so on plus 1000. Adding them all together might seem like a lot, but there is a quick and easy formula. Now let's see what is the formula for this purpose. Formula is number of terms by 2. So you can see how many numbers of terms? 1000 number of terms. And multiply this first term plus last term. By adding first term and last term and multiply this by number of terms, then divide this by 2, you can get the value of addition of all the numbers. So sum is equal to total number of terms are 1000 divided by 2. First term is 1 and the last term is 1000. 1 plus 1000 is 1001. So if we divide 1000 by 2, we get 500. So we multiply 500 by 1001, we will get the sum. We multiply this 5 by 1001, so we get 5005 and write these 2 zeros with this. So this is the sum of all the numbers from 1 to 1000. I hope you understand this. If you don't believe me, let's quickly add these numbers manually or using calculator. You will get this answer. Try to do practice with some others number, like you practice from 1 to 100. You will quickly get the answer. Without using any calculator, without manually, just using this formula, number of terms first and last, and divided by 2. Allah Hafiz.